How to change WhatsApp profile picture. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change WhatsApp profile picture. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the WhatsApp application, let's first visit the App Store over here. Or if you have an Android, just open up your Play Store and let's search for WhatsApp. So what we're going to do here is to check if our WhatsApp is up to date. So just tap on the WhatsApp Messenger page. And if it shows open right here, that means that your WhatsApp is currently up to date. However, if it shows an update button, just tap on that because that means that your WhatsApp is currently outdated. And updating it will have you the latest features within the app, especially the feature of being able to change your profile picture. Once you have made sure that your WhatsApp is up to date, let's just go ahead and open the WhatsApp Messenger. And from here, we should be at our settings page. So to do that, just click on the settings option at the bottom right hand corner. And you should see your name at the top over here, as well as the current profile picture that you have. Now, if you want to change that, just simply tap on that. And you should see the option to add a photo, or just tap on the current profile photo you have right here. Tap on that and you should see two options. It says take photo and choose photo. So choose whichever you like. You can take a photo right on the spot as your profile picture, and you can also choose a photo from your camera roll. So I'm just going to click on choose photo right here, and you should see the photos that are in your camera roll. So I'm just going to pick one right here. Tap on that and you can then scale the photo to whichever part you like to zoom it in, or you can also zoom it out. I'm just gonna zoom it in, and you can just click on choose right here at the bottom right corner. Click on that and it will load up, and that should be already your profile picture on WhatsApp. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.